welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Word file into a PDF file. As you can see on your screen, I have a sample resume file here, and here you can add in all the details. You can customize it as per your requirement. Now, in order to convert this into a PDF file, it's very simple. What you need to do is you need to go to the file section, go to save as, and for now we're just going to save it on our desktop. Let's name it resume, and over here we have the different options. We can save it as a different file format. So for now we need as a PDF, so let's select PDF. Then here we have different options. You can see we can just select the current page, use a selection of pages. We have a bunch of other options as well, but for now we're just going to stick to the defaults. Let's save it, and there you go. Now you have your PDF ready, and that's all you need to do to convert any of your Word documents into a PDF file. This can be very handy, especially when you're creating a resume, because you're able to edit everything on Microsoft Word, and then you can simply save it as a PDF, and that will give you a PDF file which you can then send over to different companies when you're applying for a job. That's all for today's video. Hope you've enjoyed the video and you've learned something new today. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do it now so you can stay tuned to our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.